Good morning. It is Wednesday, August 31st, last day of August. And as you can see, I got back into drugs today. As you can see, this basically has stayed right in a little gap here ever since yesterday. I got out after I was losing. I lost maybe 70 bucks on this deal, right? So since then, I've watched it plummet, but it kind of stayed right in this little gap right here all yesterday, all last night. And then this morning, it dropped down even further. But I bought 100 today at 193, and I'm already up $2. Now, does that mean it's going to keep doing that? No more than this one's going to do anything either, because again, as you can see, all night has basically done nothing. And the lowest that I bought at was 215. So it's now at 216, right? It just keeps floating right in that little gap. So I'm going to focus today because I already got it where I want to get out at right there. So I'm going to go over here, flex grid, and just keep watching this and see what it does. It crossed over right there, right at 193. Crossed over. It's like it wants to fight up now. So we'll see what it does. But here's what I will not do. What I did yesterday: get in and get back in again. Get in, get out, and get back in. Because 3 days ago, this drug, which cost me 50 bucks of my money, I made 5 bucks on it and then came back later on in the day and traded again and lost $50. So let's see what it does. This particular stock has been trending down really bad, really bad. Now it's starting to trend down again. Overall, it's trending down anyway. That's what it's doing. But I made $2 a second ago. But I may get that $2 back. I don't know. But I'm not gonna risk any money on it, right? So I'm at even now, 193. Let's see what it does. If it gets down to 188, I'll buy some more. Create alert 188 at or below. Create. And that's that. So I'll be back. So what I'm going to do, 193 is my get out point. Let's see. I'm going to go to 1 to 2 because it got there today. But I'm going to start with 198 with an alert. I'm going to go to 2 with an alert. 203. 205. Now it hit my point real hard. Let's put 198 up again and didn't do anything. It stayed there. Didn't stay there, just hit it and kept moving. So I'm going to see what it does. And you know how I do it. If it hits it like that, it hit a line and just pop back down. That's you can't get out because you won't get there again until it does it again. So let's see. Let me close in on this. Nope, here we go. That's a long candle and it crossed over again, but it hasn't touched my number yet. See what I mean? It just is fighting. People are fighting with this stock for some reason. So I'm going to pause and come back when there's something to talk about. It looks like it's going to hit the 180. The low was 181, but that spread out so good. The only problem is it went that way. Oh, here we go. I may as well put 10 on here now. And I'll close it if it doesn't hit it. See, the difference between today and a few days ago when I got out of this stock is I had 110 shares of this stock but I was down almost $100 because it had dropped so far so quickly. Right now, as you can see, it's still dropping. It's lower than it's been in 3 days right now, which tells me it can only do one or two things: bottom out or go up. And I think it's going to hit down here a little bit, but I think it might kind of, this will be the bottom. But who knows? You know what I'm saying? I'm not trying to predict. I'm just saying what I think. I'm not going to make any decisions based on that prediction. The only thing I did was it looked like it was going to bounce up today and make me some money, but it didn't. It's still trending down, which I should have just looked back a few minutes and seen that it's trending all the way down. Why would you pick a stock that's trending down? Because you think it's going to hit a bottom sooner or later. That's why. Right? So let's see. 181 is at the low for the day so far. Not quite, but I think it's going to hit that 180 in the next 5 minutes max, because this downward trend is not slowing up. Let's see. Come on. It's a bad day for this stock and NEPT as well. I don't know why I'm in both of them again, as if I didn't get enough punishment the last few days. You know what I'm going to do? I'm going to get rid of that, because if it hits it but a long candle and drags way down here, I could have gotten it in. I could have gotten in even lower. So that makes more sense, what I just did. Now it's hitting a resistance for some reason. Like I said, the bottom for the morning was right there, 184. Right, that candle closed at 185, but it got down as low as 184. And once it broke under that, I mean, who knows how far it's going to go, because it took a long time to get under 184, but now it's under it. So who knows how far it'll go, because people freak out, right, and start selling. But it's fighting to go down for some reason. It's only one person at 180. We got some people way down here trying to buy. So I'm going to pause, see what happens. Well, now, as you can see, it tried to get down there. See, I could have left that out there and forgot about it, but I got rid of it. So now I still set it market 180, but now it's starting to try to trend up. But I mean, you know, this stock is notorious for trending down. So what I'm going to do is at 188 right now. I'm going to go grab a cup of coffee when I come back. Let's see where it is. All right, I'll be back shortly. Yeah, so it's 11:30, and I just bought 10 more at 176. It got as low as 171, but I didn't want to buy any more as it's going down, because I only got so much to go. I only got $39 left. So I bought 10 more at 76, so I know that it's going up right now. At least it's trending up. So right now my average price is 191. So I'm going to go up here where I got all these alerts. 191.1. So at 192, I'm going to set another alert. Yeah. So now if it hits 192, I'm going to get paid, and my current quantity is 120. So I'm going to, let's see, how far would I have to go to hit 206? Not very, because it got 2 something this morning. What was that? That closed, it opened at 2. It closed at 199, so 206 is not inconceivable. So I'm gonna make my get out right now at 206. Let me put 120, and I'm gonna mark sell 120 at 206. There we go. And then we'll watch and see what it does. I mean, I'm going to get out at some point. As simple as that. Just a matter of how long I want to wait to see. And by tomorrow, I have like $60. You know, I mean, I'm already under what I came in the door with, right? But I'm going to get all my money back. I have to. That's the only way I know how to play this game. But sometimes you have to risk big to win big. Okay, so it just hit my high point. I'm up $3. I'm up 270, 220. Will it go up again? Will it go up again? No, it is not. 120, get rid of that. Get ready to, let's see, what is that, a GTC? No, it's limit. Okay, so I can sell the market. See what it does. I'm ready to sell that market whenever it's ready. You got to admit, guys, this is fun. I mean, for all indication, it's going to hit that next number. For all indication. The problem is I don't think it's going to get up here. Not by the end of the day. So I'm going to get rid of all of these. All of these. All of these. Yeah, see, look at this. Look at this. Look at that. Look at that. Back down, $3 in the hole, just like that. People are freaking out. They're selling. It's going to keep driving the price down. I can tell you before it happens. See, people are freaking out now, driving the price back down. Not enough people right here. Not enough for all the money getting spent right here. Damn it. I had my shot right there and didn't take it. That's pushing. They're pushing, but that's forcing down. That's green. Too much red for that green. They're fighting. I'm going to take a hit. I'm going to take a hit. I'm going to take a hit. That's a little bit of green. That's hopeful. Luckily, there's some people way up here. They know something I don't know, I guess. I'm going to pause, come back. And there's the crossover. I tell you what, man. This stock, this stock kills me. And as you can see, everybody's trying to get out at 188 now. When they do that, it's going to drive the price to the ground again. Now you got people getting out at 184. It's horrible. Look at that. Look at that. All of that volume gone. All of that money gone. Should have got out at $2 right there. It's a shame. I'll be back. I may have to run this one more day. I'm going to set it at 193. I'm going to get rid of all of this. I'm going to set this for, and I'm going to leave that. I may still get a chance to get out. I'll leave that the same. And I'm going to set it at 193. What was that, 193? Yep. Let's set that for a sell. 120 at 193. and call it a day. We'll see what happens. I'll be right back. Well, it jumped up and got me out in one fell swoop. It jumped it up. It jumped up and got me out at 193. So I made $2. You know, big deal. And now it's probably going to go all the way up to here. But I mean, that's cool. At least I'm not struggling because if it goes down, I'm screwed. So I'm just not going to even look at it. I'm going to go over here to the next loser. Oh, they're starting to peak up a little bit. Not anything that's going to help me at all. I'm still down $25. So I'm going to leave that where it is. 245 one, and I've got it set for 247. I'm going to move that. I'm going to get rid of that. Actually, no, let me see where I am with this. TIFF. I'm going to get rid of that. I'm going to set it for GTC EXT, and I'm going to set my get out point at 246. 246. How many I got? 90. 90. I'm going to set it up 246. Let's make it 247. Sell. Yep. And that's where I'm going to stay. And that's where I am now until further notice. With that said, guys, I'm going to get out of here. I'll talk to you tomorrow, I guess. All right? Have a good day. Peace.